Namaskar. This summer, from 19th to 25th of June, we are going to have our midsummer retreat in Sweden, in training center, in Yoga Monastery in Sweden. This program has two parts. One part is warm-up, just enjoy our forest, enjoy our lakes, enjoy our company, enjoy our food, and start going into the rhythm of spiritual practice. More and more and more and more, build up that ability to every day meditate, every day do asanas, and then there will be the concluding part is already very, very serious meditational program. So last year, myself, I really enjoyed the warm-up. Just being with people, talking with people, doing some simple meditation with them was really great. And then we had hiking, we went beautiful nature places. There are stunning places here. We enjoyed the food, enjoyed the different creative activities, some painting, some music. So it was very, very light, very entertaining program. And then you could see the atmosphere. You know, people came, they don't know, and there is some kind of, you know, a little bit. In the beginning, there was a moment of some uneasiness, but then we just became like warmer, warmer, and warmer, and then it was such a beautiful feeling of family, of openness, of inspiration, and then we had many, many good responses about this program. So this year, I think many people will come. So I want to invite also you, come, enjoy this program. This program is very important for you because you can really progress in your practice. And many things through your sadhana you can change. You can feel yourself and be less dependent on the external opinion. Find inner inspiration, find inner guidance, find your destiny in life. Or just, not maybe like that, too global results, but just find some answer for this period of your life. Because answers are within, and we are all meditating 3-4 times a day. We are going deep within, using the collective energy. We are going deeply within, and inside you have inspiration, you have answers. So for me, every retreat is a step forward. In every retreat, I will know something what I need to do in life, and I will do it, and I will progress. So use this opportunity. Please come. We are going to be very happy here together. And you will find all the information in the description below.